Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, we're going to play another game again. We're going to play What's in the Box, version 3. This is the third one I'm doing. Been having a great time doing it. Some people have been participating and having fun as well. As you can see, this one really isn't a box, it's a package, but you know what? We're going to say close enough. So let's go ahead and take a look at the package, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at what we have here. We have a package I received in the mail, and I'm not going to tell you how heavy it is. It's not technically a box, but it is a package, and I'm saying close enough. And the winner of What's in the Box, version 3, this time, will get a Walking Liberty $50, 1944. Now it's, a little beat up, a little wore, but you know what? Almost all the Walking Liberties that I buy for my Constitutional Silver look exactly like this. So I'm not pulling out the poor stuff in my collection. This is just typically what I get. So I just pulled one out of the roll and said this is what I'm going to give away. So, in case you don't know, a Walking Liberty is 0.357 ounces of silver. So that means there's over 1/3 of an ounce of silver in this one coin. So that's right, folks. You could win over 1/3 of an ounce of silver by guessing what's in the box. But let me tell you, this one's a little bit different. Let me tell you, I'm going to give you some hints inside the video this time. I would hope that those of you playing along would take the time to watch the video. I feel that a lot of people are just looking at the clues that are posted in the description and not really watching the video, because I can tell by some of the comments that they never watched the video. So, at least if you're going to win some silver from me, at least take a few moments to watch my video. I would really appreciate that. It would really be the right thing to do. Okay. So after saying that, I'm going to go ahead and give you some clues here. The first clue is that it is not a coin or coins. They are silver bullion. Okay? And that was the second clue. They are. So there's more than one. So there's multiple items of the same thing in this box. So first clue, it is not a coin or coins. Second clue, there's multiple items. And the third clue is that they come from a reputable company who makes rounds. So they're not some off-name, some off-brand. They are a well-known silver producing company. So that's all I'm going to give you for now. I'm not going to make you guess how many are in there. That'd be pretty tough to do. But I do need to know what types of round they are and who makes them. When I say what types, I mean, like, are they fractional silver? Are they a whole ounce of silver? Could be 5 ounces, 10 ounces, and then who makes them. So that will need to be on the same line on your answer, is what type they are and who makes them. And again, the winner is going to get this Walking Liberty $50. Love the eagle on the back of that thing. And this has 0.357 ounces of silver in it. So it's over 1/3 of an ounce. Pretty nice as far as I'm concerned. I'd love to win that myself. So that's it for now. Go ahead and post your comments below, and I'll keep an eye on it. Usually I don't let these things go more than a couple days. Well, I wish everyone well. I look forward to all your responses, and have some fun with this. I have a lot of fun with it, and I hope you guys do too. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.